Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will learn how to see the version of Ubuntu that we have installed using different options. Chapter 1. View Ubuntu version installed from Settings. To start, you will click at the top of the screen on the network icon or the power off icon. There, you will click on Settings. In this window, you will go to the bottom and click About. You can see the used version of Ubuntu in the operating system name line. Chapter 2. View Ubuntu version installed from Activities. To get started, click on Activities at the top of the desktop. There you will enter the word About and then click About. You can see the used version of Ubuntu in the operating system name line. Chapter 3. View Ubuntu version installed from Terminal. If you prefer at some point to see the installed version of Ubuntu with commands, do the following. First, open the Ubuntu terminal. Then run the cat command with the syntax you see on the screen to see the used version of Ubuntu. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.